All right. Well, I want to get the clearances right for the bed, and I know I'm going down 2 inches, so I've decided to go ahead and go through with it and lower the truck 2 inches. It's the most cost-effective way to do it, because any more than 2 inches, I have to trade these springs out because it's got lip springs on it. So I'm just going to go in here and pull these blocks out. They were like 1 3/4 or something. Okay, well, got the right side off. Not much of a drop. But that is way more work than I expected, because I can't put a socket on there. I have to wrench everything by hand. Oh, what a pain in the butt. I know I could cut off the excess, but I really don't want to, so I'm just going to do it by hand and wrench it down and do the other side. Okay, there's what it looks like 2 inches lower in the back. I drop the front 2 inches lower later. At least I get a feel, you know, where the bed's going to sit. I'm really thinking I want to line this bottom line up with that line right there. Although it's not like really critical, maybe if I line it up right there it'd be fine too. We'll see. Don't have much clearance here. It definitely has to go up a little bit if I'm going to keep running 37s on it. But yeah, I already like it a little bit better like that. That was a lot of work, way more work than I thought it was going to be, and mainly because I didn't want to cut the ends of the U-bolts off. Just in case I ever want to raise it again, I'll have the, you know, excess. I mean, I was thinking 4 inches would probably be perfect with 35s, but 6s with 37s will probably have to do, so for right now anyway. Okay, time to do the front. Pop these springs out, put some 6-inch springs in it. That looks better. I should have done it before and after. I think 6 is not going to be bad at all. I believe, if I remember correctly, all I need to do is drop this shock and maybe take this loose, the front sway bar. I'm gonna have to do that anyway. I need to take this little spacer out, but I'm gonna disconnect the shock right here, and that should give me enough droop I can put a smaller spring in, hopefully. Truck, don't fall on me. Oh. Down a little bit more. Not a whole lot. Still get those 37s to fit, so that's good. It'll probably lower a little bit. I still got the jack under, take some of the pressure off. Plus this will probably settle about 1 inch or so, I bet. Yeah, we'll see what the difference is. So 14 inches. What? Yeah, it's definitely got some settling to do. So it's going to go down probably. I mean, it's still sitting the same height. And there's a noticeable difference in the spring size, that's for sure. Yeah, it's only like a ½ inch difference there. Right, I think I can stick this thing back on here now. I'll drop these down in here. Put little clips down at the bottom. I'll come back and weld these in. Yeah, so it's very kind of Oxbeam to send over some of these 3-inch LED pods for review. And I told them I needed some reverse lights, and I also needed some way of lighting, you know, the rear of my camper. So I think these will be perfect. Now I've got the perfect place to mount these also. So let me go ahead and get these installed, and we'll check them out and see how well they work. Thing I discovered is cool about these Oxbeam light is that it's got a captured head for the bolt, and you can slide back and forth and you can tighten it down, so it's got a lot of adjustment, and then you got an adjustment this way also. So just wanted to point out that's pretty cool. My impression of these Oxbeam LED pod lights, pretty impressive. They seem like really nice quality, very well made, stainless steel fasteners. They work without a flaw. Now, my impression of these other aftermarket trailer lights that I bought, I'm not too impressed with those, because this LED does not function like that one as far as the sequential lighting, and I think I'm going to contact the manufacturer about that and let them know that I'm not happy about that. But Yeah, Oxbeam's got a good product here, and I would definitely recommend going with that. They also sell 20-inch, 30-inch light bars. You know, even larger light bars. So yeah, for right now, it's going to get a wood bed. If I can find some aluminum bleacher material, I'm going to put that back here. Who knows what I'll come up with, and you never know what you're going to find in the scrapyard. So for right now, I got a bed. It's pretty solid on here. It's part of the truck now. Oh yeah, these Oxbeam headlights, they have an IP67 rating, which are waterproof and I think moisture proof. Yeah, I think that's a good backup solution, and good solution for, I need a few more of those. Good solution for camping also. Yeah, I really like the spotlight LEDs from Oxbeam. They do a good job. Big mess to clean up. And that's what it looks like. It's 6 inches. I kind of like it. I like it better than 8.
Hey, thanks for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed already, please do for future updates. Remember, build it, don't buy it.